What is the biggest SEO mistake that I am seeing among Etsy sellers? In today's video, I'm going to give you the #1 mistake that I am seeing with SEO, and this is with Etsy sellers that have been on Etsy for even 12 plus years. So I'm going to run through exact examples of this mistake depending on what category you're selling in, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to fix it right now. And stick around to the end of the video where I give you a bonus tip that you should go and apply to all of your listings today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan Jarris, and I'm an Etsy seller of about 7 years now. I've done over $1.4 million in revenue on this platform and over $1 million in profit. I also sell on Amazon and Shopify, and my entire background is in corporate e-commerce. So in today's video, I am diving into SEO, and this is the #1 mistake that I've been seeing with Etsy sellers. And the biggest problem that I'm seeing with SEO is that sellers are using their titles to only describe the item itself and not the purpose. So Etsy sellers are in their businesses so much that they're really product focused. And it's really easy for them to fall into the trap of thinking of product first when it comes to building out their SEO. So they're really used to describing the color, the size, the materials used, maybe the words that are written on the item, instead of describing the purpose or utility of the item with their SEO. The problem with this is that they are thinking more like a seller and not like the buyer. So they're really hung up on describing the specifics of the item and not describing the solution or utility that it provides the customer. So customers are searching much differently than we are thinking as Etsy sellers. When people come to Etsy, they are looking for solutions. They're not usually looking for specific parameters of a specific product. This is one of the major differences between Etsy and eBay. So when a customer comes to Etsy, they're searching for a Father's Day gift, not the 10mm walnut stained, epoxy coated XYZ. So I'm going to break down how this SEO problem is occurring whether you sell handmade products, digital products, or print on demand. An example of this with handmade items is this listing titled Sumptuous Realistic Dessert Scented Candles You Choose Scent. Okay, so what is the problem with this? Who on earth is typing in sumptuous as the first word they type into the Etsy search bar? The first word of your title is the most valuable SEO real estate, and I would guess only about 2% of people know how to spell the word sumptuous accurately. Not to mention, in this title, the colon that they used completely breaks up the flow of the SEO. So that means someone would have to be typing in "you choose scent" for this to be popping up. So instead, I would be thinking about that combination of the product, the purpose, and the utility of the item. So I might call this something like Desert Candle Custom Scent Candle for Gift Box for Friend Candle Gift. So this way you are capturing as many long tail keywords as possible. So you have dessert candle, candle custom scent candle, candle for gift box for friend, friend candle gift. Okay, and then I would duplicate this listing and I would have a completely new set of long tail keywords for the title. So I might call this one Scented Candle Gift for Wedding Party Favor Dessert Lover Gift Candle Custom. So that way you are capturing these long tail keywords: scented candle gift for wedding party favor dessert lover gift candle custom. So I have essentially doubled the number of long tail keywords that this would show up for in search results. Let's dive into another example, and this is with prints and paintings. I see this happening so much with different artists' prints and paintings. The title is Shifting Light Vertical Landscape Canvas Print Wildflower Painting Impressionist Art Print. You might think, well, what's wrong with that? Who is typing in shifting light into Etsy search to find this painting? So those words clearly mean something to the artist, right? But what do those words mean to the customer that would potentially buy this? Not to mention all of the breaks and the commas here really cut out about 50% of the potential search results that this listing could show up in. So instead, think about the combination of the product, the purpose, and the utility. So I would call this something like abstract greenery painting, floral wall greenery wall art, wildflower wall decor, wildflower art, wildflower nursery decor. Now with this, you are going to be showing up for search results for abstract greenery painting painting floral wall art, wall art greenery, greenery wall art wildflower, art wildflower wall decor, wildflower art wildflower, and wildflower nursery decor. Do you see all those potential combinations of long tail keywords that you're now showing up for? Then I would duplicate this listing, change the main listing photo, and create a new title with all new long tail keywords. So for that second one, I would call this Greenery Wall Art for Living Room, Wildflower Painting Impressionist Art, Green Entryway Wall Decor. So with this, you're now showing up for Greenery Wall Art for living room, wildflower painting, painting impressionist art, green entryway wall decor. So see all of those long tail keywords that you're now showing up for. You've probably just tripled the number of search results that you will show up in. Now let's take a look at how this happens with print on demand. So print on demand is extremely competitive, and that means that it is even more important that you have your SEO totally locked in. So let's take a look at this example. The title is Don't Stop Retrievin' T-shirt for Golden Retrievers Lovers, soft women's t-shirt, dog illustration printed on subtle distress version 2. So who is going to be typing in don't stop retrievin'? Okay, I totally get it. You're describing the item. It's super catchy, but who is typing that in? That's the most valuable real estate in this title. Not to mention all the dashes between the words are cutting out about 50% of the search results that this could be showing up under. Also, the plurals are not necessary. And no one is going to be typing in dog illustration printed on subtle distress version 2. So really the only good thing about this title is t-shirt for golden retriever lovers. But even then you don't need the plurals. So instead I would think about the combination of the product, utility, and purpose. And I would call this something like golden retriever shirt, golden retriever lover t-shirt for golden retriever owner, retriever dog shirt for dog lover. Now this you're capturing these search terms. Golden retriever shirt, golden retriever lover, retriever lover t-shirt, t-shirt for golden retriever owner, retriever dog shirt for dog lover. And then I would duplicate this listing and create a brand new title with new long tail keywords. And that would be golden retriever gift for her, golden retriever mom shirt for golden retriever t-shirt. I love golden retriever. Okay. So with this, you are showing up for golden retriever gift for her, golden retriever mom shirt for golden retriever t-shirt without the dash between t-shirt, and t-shirt I love golden retriever. So let's do one more print on demand example because these are just so common with this print on demand category. Okay, in this title, you see it says, the master is here now, the master is here, boss, t-shirts for him, t-shirts for you, gifts for him, gifts for you, unisex t-shirt. Okay, this one, they tried to do some things where they're describing the purpose, right? All the gifts for him, gifts for you, all of that. There's so many problems. The problem is no one is searching the master is here now. Not to mention, they're repeating the same long tail keywords for their first two sets of long tail keywords. The master is here now, comma, the master is here. So it's completely wasted real estate. Also, no one is just going into Etsy search and typing boss, or who is typing in t-shirts for you. So instead, what I would recommend is a title such as funny t-shirt for boss, funny shirt, funny boss gift for employer, funny gift for boss t-shirt. So the reason I added in t-shirt twice was because one has a dash and one does not. So whenever you're using t-shirt, you want to have t-shirt with no space, t-shirt, and t-space shirt. So with that, I am capturing these sets of long tail keywords. Funny t-shirt for boss, t-shirt for boss, boss funny shirt, shirt funny boss gift, gift for employer, employer funny gift, gift for boss t-shirt. Okay, and then I would duplicate that and create a brand new set of long tail keywords with this title. Funny gift for boss, funny t-shirt for boss, new boss gift for him, funny workplace shirt, funny. So with this, I'm capturing all these sets of long tail keywords. Funny gift for boss, boss funny t-shirt, no dash, no space, t-shirt for boss, new boss gift for him funny, funny workplace shirt, and shirt funny. You are going to be showing up in so many potential search results here. So as you can see, with all of these examples, we are simply repackaging our SEO in a way that is more purpose and utility driven, and ultimately more in line with the things that customers are actually typing into the search bar. And if you've stuck around to the end of this video, I want to give you one bonus tip. And this is something that you should implement in all of your listings right now. And this is all about going general, specific, specific instead of specific, specific, general. Let me explain. So when customers are searching, they're oftentimes typing in the noun first, followed by the adjectives describing that noun. But I see so many sellers putting those specific adjectives and descriptors right in front of the noun in their titles in SEO. And I think this is because sellers, we are so deep into our businesses that we are really used to describing our items in certain ways. Usually customers don't always type that way when they're searching. So when customers are searching, they type in a way that is more general, specific versus specific, general. So this is like noun followed by adjectives describing that noun or product. So this would be like wedding dress, boho, lace, instead of lace, boho, wedding dress. But a lot of times as sellers, we're more inclined to type in lace, boho, wedding dress to describe an item versus wedding dress, boho, lace. So another example of this is when a customer is searching for nursery bedding. So they might type in nursery bedding, minimalist, neutral, versus the seller might have used the words neutral, minimalist, nursery bedding. So this is just about the order of words being more in line with what customers are actually searching. Because when customers are searching, a lot of times they are just searching off the top of their head. They are typing as they are thinking versus thinking before they are typing. This will make a huge difference in how you show up in search results in front of your ideal profitable customers. So I hope you enjoyed this video on SEO. If you have any questions on Etsy SEO, please reach out. I do have a big section on this in my program, Multi-Six-Figure Etsy Blueprint. And in my program, I have students who've been on Etsy for over 12 years, and their SEO is being transformed by these principles. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe. And if you're ever interested in some one-on-one help with your Etsy shop, definitely reach out. You can find me on Instagram at Dylan Jarris, or just email me team@dylanjarris.com. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.